Hi there. Following the brief hot spell that many places, although not all, experienced during the last few days, Atlantic westerlies have returned, so cooler air up and down the country now. And that cooler air at the moment circulating around an unseasonably deep area of low pressure, which is just hanging out there to the northwest of Scotland. Unseasonably strong winds as well, and spells of rain for western Scotland and Northern Ireland. That's what we've seen through the afternoon. It will continue into the evening. Very unpleasant for June. Those spells of rain pushing into the east and north of Scotland, northern England as well, turning a little more showery in places, but we'll keep the strong wind through the night in the north. Further south, it's less windy, but still a bit of a breeze blowing, and that breeze pushing some showers and some cloud into Wales and the southwest through the hours of darkness. But South Midlands, East Anglia, the south and southeast, clear spells and a much fresher night. Good news if you've struggled with sleeping with the high levels of humidity during the last few nights, 12 or 13 Celsius, and in some sheltered spots out of the breeze, well, it's going to be 6 to 8 Celsius, so certainly a cooler start to Friday compared with recent mornings, but actually a fair amount of sunshine there across central and southeastern England, perhaps parts of Wales as well, 1 or 2 showers here and there, but the most frequent showers will be across North Wales, Northern England, Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some more persistent rain moving through northwest and then northern Scotland during the day, accompanied by the swathe of strong winds, but the winds are lessening, so it's going to be less windy and less wet overall for western Scotland and Northern Ireland compared with Thursday. Some brighter spells coming through the showers in the north as well, but certainly in the south it's mostly dry by the afternoon and increasingly sunny for Wales and the southwest. So actually with the winds coming down and with the sun coming out, 17 to 20 Celsius here, or perhaps even 22, 23 Celsius in the southeast, it's going to feel perfectly pleasant. Not far from average for the time of year. Further north, the same can't be said. I think blustery with a lot of cloud, those frequent showers, temperatures of 15 to 18 Celsius, not at all feeling pleasant. So a marked contrast up and down the country, and that's really the theme through the next week or so, with the weather very changeable, but the most unsettled conditions largely affecting northern areas. Now we've got this area of cloud just sneaking into West Wales, Western England during the early hours of Saturday, and some outbreaks of rain beginning to appear. A weak system as it arrives during Saturday. Further north we keep the blustery showers for a time, but the winds on Saturday overall will be less strong, and we start off Saturday with some sunshine and again a fresh feel first thing compared with recent mornings, but some decent blue skies for the Midlands, East Anglia and the south, as well as for Northern Ireland, southern Scotland. First thing, we've got this finger of cloud meanwhile thickening up across northern and western England, parts of Wales, and you can see the rain turning up across north and west Wales, northwest England. That tends to sink south during Saturday night and into the start of Sunday. Either side of it, some sunshine and lighter winds, so 16 Celsius in Northern Ireland with lighter winds and fewer showers, much more pleasant. 22 Celsius there in the southeast. Again, not a bad Saturday for the time of year. Into the north of Scotland, meanwhile, 13 to 15 Celsius with the gusty wind and those frequent showers, so perhaps not feeling particularly summer-like here. Then into Sunday, this cloud and the showers push south, but again, many places will get away with a largely dry and bright day, if rather cool compared with the recent weather.